Cool. So this guy right here is my answers for quiz 9.2. Firstly, I kind of followed the format of what we did in class. First of all, we go to Bluebeam right over here, and I was able to calibrate the scale based off of this guy right here. So the scale on this is half inch equals a foot. So of course I just ended up doing a preset one for one half of an inch equals a foot right there. Just gonna have that easily right there. Then next thing you know, I am measuring the actual lengths of the vertical beams or the vertical rods, and I got that number right there, 17 feet 2 1/4 inch. And after that, I was able to just see right here from this profile to see how many exactly rods there are going that way. So we got a total of 10. So we go back to my sheet right here. We got the total of vertical rods is 10. Total length is a 17. Our length of each of them is 17 feet, 2.25 inches. And then I was able to multiply both of those guys to get the total length right there, which is going to be the 171.88 feet. In order to convert it to foot pounds right here, first we need to find the actual the foot pounds of the rods each. And for that guy, I didn't really see anything on Bluebeam, so I kind of resorted back to one of our earlier assignments, which is the number 3. And I found this table right here. So I went down to number 6, which is the type of rods that are in there. It's 1.5 pounds per linear foot right there. And you see right here, let me show you real fast, there is the number 6 vertical. So that's where I got that number from. And so we'd go back to this guy right there. And after that, we just multiply the total length times the total foot pounds right here. And we were able to get the actual pounds of it. Once we actually got the pounds of it, which is the 257.82, after that, I just divided it by 2,000 to get to tons. And then there you go. And I followed a similar process for the horizontal beams as well. Or I mean, these are the ties. So, counted all of these guys right there. These are the horizontal ones to get the total amount right there. I was able to see that's group number 4. So we got the total right there. There's 19 of them. This is the length of each of them. I measured it this is the length actually right here. So this is where it gets a little more complicated. In order to find the length, because they are wrapping around, I ended up just doing the circumference. So then I got pi times the not the diameter. It's actually going to be what is it? It could be the diameter, not the diameter. It is a formula right here that I looked up. It is, I guess, the diameter. Yeah, the diameter. Yeah, radius, diameter. Yeah, same thing. Not really same thing. But yeah, so I was able to get the diameter, and we just multiply both of those guys to get the actual length of the round circle. It's the circumference, and then from there I was able to get the total length. So we just multiplied those two together, and then I got again the foot pounds from the chart, and then same process. We ended up multiplying these two slots right there to get the total pounds, and then we got the total tons. And then right down here I just ended up adding them together. We'll simply just to get the total. So yeah, that's what I did for this project.